Welcome to Nanodium, the channel where small science fuels big ideas. Today, we bring you an exciting development at the forefront of nanotechnology and electronics. The rapid evolution of electronic devices has created an ever-growing demand for smaller, faster, and more efficient components. From consumer electronics to renewable energy solutions and medical technologies, the push for miniaturisation and higher performance is reshaping the industry landscape. Meeting these demands has become a key focus for researchers worldwide, who are tirelessly exploring innovative materials and manufacturing techniques that can rise to the challenge. Among these materials, metal nanowires have emerged as highly promising candidates. Their unique properties offer great potential for next-generation devices, but producing them at scale has long remained a formidable obstacle. Now, a team from Nagoya University in Japan has unveiled a groundbreaking technique that could transform the mass production of metal nanowires, ushering in a new era in electronics. Led by Yasuhiro Kimura at the Graduate School of Engineering at Nagoya University, this research team has introduced an inventive method for growing metal nanowires in a way that is not only feasible on a large scale but also cost-effective. Until now, the commercial use of metal nanowires has been severely limited by the difficulty of manufacturing them in large quantities while maintaining exceptional quality and purity. These nanowires are extraordinarily tiny, demanding precision at the atomic level during their creation. This precision has proven particularly challenging with metals, where the atoms must be transported in a gas phase. The properties of metals make this task exceptionally difficult, adding to the complexity of the manufacturing process. To address this challenge, the Nagoya University team developed a novel technique that leverages atomic diffusion in a solid phase, assisted by ion beam irradiation. This method enables the controlled and scalable production of aluminium nanowires from single crystals. Atomic diffusion is the process by which atoms or molecules migrate from regions of higher concentration to those of lower concentration, typically driven by variations in stress under thermal influence. In this new approach, ion beam irradiation coarsens the crystal grains on the surface of a thin aluminium film, changing the stress distribution across the material. This altered stress pattern guides the atoms, which then align and assemble into nanowires at specific, intended locations. The simplicity of this process stands out. It consists of just 3 key steps: depositing a thin aluminium film onto a substrate, irradiating this film with ion beams, and applying heat. When heat is introduced, the atoms within the film move upwards from the finer grains at the bottom toward the coarser grains at the top. This migration accelerates the formation of nanowires in a controlled and efficient manner. According to Kimura, this approach significantly enhances nanowire density. He explained that the team succeeded in increasing the density of aluminium nanowires from 200,000 per square centimeter to an impressive 18 million per square centimeter. This achievement marks a pivotal advance, making bottom-up growth of metal nanowires a practical reality. Such growth methods, until now, have only occurred sporadically and in minimal quantities. In principle, this method can also be adapted for other metals, expanding its potential applications even further. The capacity to produce nanowires at such high densities opens up a wide range of possibilities across various fields. Aluminium nanowires, for instance, exhibit an excellent combination of properties: their large surface area, robust mechanical strength derived from their single crystal structure, and superior resistance to oxidation. These characteristics make them especially well suited for use in sensing devices and optoelectronic applications, where durability and performance at nanoscale dimensions are crucial. Kimura expressed confidence in the broader potential of the technology, emphasizing that the team had achieved mass growth of metallic nanowires in forest-like formations using just these 3 core steps: thin film deposition, ion beam irradiation, and heating. This breakthrough stands to impact industries reliant on high-performance nanodevices, such as gas sensors, biomarker detection systems, and optoelectronic components. These sectors require materials that can sustain high functionality despite extreme miniaturization. Metal nanowires are exceptionally well suited to meet these needs. However, their practical adoption has been hindered by the absence of a reliable mass production method, until now. Kimura highlighted this point, underscoring the urgency of establishing scalable production processes to support the manufacturing of advanced nanodevices like gas sensors, biomarkers, and optoelectronics. The development of this method offers more than just a solution to a production bottleneck. It provides a scalable, efficient approach that could serve as the foundation for producing nanowires from other metals, potentially sparking further innovations across the electronics industry. As industries continue to push the limits of miniaturisation and advanced materials, the ability to mass-produce high-quality nanowires represents a crucial advancement. This could enable the creation of devices with unprecedented performance characteristics, setting new standards for what is achievable in electronics powered by nanotechnology. In summary, the technique pioneered by Kimura's team presents a powerful answer to one of the long-standing challenges in nanowire production. By simplifying the manufacturing process and dramatically increasing nanowire density, this innovation paves the way for the widespread use of metal nanowires in a variety of high-tech applications. The work stands as a major milestone in nanotechnology, opening new avenues for progress and discovery in the design and manufacturing of next-generation electronic devices. If you found this exploration of cutting-edge nanotechnology insightful, please remember to like this video, share it with others who are passionate about scientific innovation, and subscribe to Nanodium for more updates on the fascinating world of nanoscience. Thank you for watching.